Hi, Waylon. Ah, you trying to put that hand in your mouth? You trying to put that handy in your mouth? Say, I'm trying. I'm still figuring it out. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, you trying? Are you 7 weeks old today? Time's going by way too quickly. You're getting to be a big boy. Yeah. You're getting to be a big boy. Gotta use the other handy. That one won't fit. Not the way your head is turned. Yeah. Okay, we gotta go now. I know, you got something in that diaper for Mama. Yeah, I know, you got something in that diaper for Mama. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.